Your cozy portable heater is designed with top-notch safety in mind. Our portable heaters come with a 21mm clip-on regulator, a hose, and work with a 13kg 21mm butane cylinder. However, regular checkups ensure it keeps you warm without any hiccups. Start with the regulator. It's key to a safe gas flow. Now it should be spotless with no damage. This beauty ensures no pesky gas leaks. Change the hose every 5 years and examine regularly for kinks, cracks, or wear signs. They're red flags that scream potential leaks. Replacing your regulator? Push the hose snugly on, ensuring the Jubilee clip grips it securely without biting too hard. A quick leak test? Spray soapy water on the connection. Oh dear, bubbles. Turn off the gas, tighten up and retest. Persistent bubbles? Turn off the gas and ring up your local stockist. Is your heater playing wobbly? Oh, check those casters. Missing or damaged? Replace them, ensuring you've first detached the gas bottle. If your heater's been hibernating, clean off any dust with a damp cloth. Find some damage? Get advice from your stockist. Confused about anything? Dive into your model manufacturer's leaflet. Safety first! Head to our website for more details.